Good morning, everyone. Hope you are fine. Our lesson today is about reading comprehension. Okay. First of all, you have to know that when we read, our eyes and brain work out what the letters and words say. Also, improving our comprehension skills helps us to think about what we are reading. Also, you have to know that it is very important to understand the meaning of the text that you are reading. Okay? So, here are some simple steps we should follow when we answer a comprehension passage. Let's start with number 1. We have to read the question first, and this will help us to look for the answers. Number 2. We have to read all the choices very carefully. Number 3, we have to read the passage twice, 2 times. 4, we have to bear in mind that every answer should be found directly in the passage. And the last one is that you have to check your answer. Now, guys, I'll read for you the vocabulary words for our new comprehension passage. Okay, 1. Weathered. Worn by long exposure to the air, weather beaten. 2. Obstacles. A thing that blocks one's way or prevents or hinders progress. 3. Tombs. A large vault, typically an underground one, for burying the dead. 4. Shaft. A long narrow part or section forming the handle of a tool or club. The body of a spear or arrow or similar to them. Mortuary. A room or building in which dead bodies are kept for hygienic storage or for examination until burial or cremation. Then we have the word intruders. A person who intrudes specially into a building with criminal intent. We have the word of, to avoid being hit by something, word of a blow, for example. Then we have surrounded, be around someone or something. For example, the hotel is surrounded by its gardens. Then we have debut, a person's first appearance or for performance into a particular capacity or role. We have also mystery, something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain. We have ramp, a sloping surface joining two different levels as at the entrance or between floors of a building, for example, a wheelchair ramp. The last word we have is crumble, break or fall apart into small fragments. Here are the vocab words. Now I will leave you guys to read the comprehension passage alone and use the steps. You have to read the passage twice, as we said before, okay? And you have to use the steps that I mentioned before, and then check your answers in the last slide. Thank you. See you the next session.